Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to do the experiment number 8, in which we have to perform the string operations on a entire column of text. So we have to perform vectorized string operations. What are vectorized string operations? So using the library Pandas, we can perform vectorized string operations on the entire column of text data at once instead of using loops. So how can we do this? We will understand this experiment with the help of Python code. First we will study what are different operations that we can use on the strings. So we have different operations. These operations include upper operation, which is used to convert the text to uppercase. For example, I have written the name Mohan, which is being converted into capital letters. Next function is lower function, which is used to convert the text to lowercase. For example, Delhi is written in capital letters and converted to small letters. Next we have title function. Title function is used to convert the first letter in capital case. As we can see in the example, Hare Krishna, in Hare Krishna word, first letter H is written in small letter. After applying the title function, that H is converted to capital H. Next function we have length function, which is used to find the string of the length of the string. We have the word Delhi, which contains 5 letters, so the length of the word is 5. Next we have replace function. What we can do with the help of replace function? We can replace the word with another word. As we can see in the example, we have replaced black with white. Next we have contains function. Using contain function, we used to check if the string contains a particular letter or substring. As we can see in the example, we are checking if sky word contains letter Y. So this function will return true. Next we have starts with function. We can check if any string starts with a certain letter or substring with the help of starts with function. So Delhi is checked with letter D. It returns true. Next we have ends with function. Using ends with, what we can do? We can check if the given string contains or ends with given letter or substring. So again we are checking this on file.txt string, and we are checking if this word contains .txt at the end of the string. So this function returns true. Next we have strip function. Strip function is used to remove the ending and the trailing spaces from the word. As we can see in the example, we have a word hello, which contains space in the beginning and space in the end, which is being removed using the strip function. Next we have split function. What we can do using split function? We used to divide the string into parts. For example, the given string ABC is divided into 3 different characters A, B and C. Now we will see how we can implement this with the help of Python code. To perform all these operations, we used to use the Pandas library. Pandas library is particularly used to perform the operations on a data set or data frame. First we created a dictionary data which contains 2 columns, name and city. Name contains 3 names in it and city contains 3 cities in it. Next what we are doing? We are converting the data dictionary into a data frame with the help of Pandas library. df equals to pd.dataframe data. Next what we are doing? We are printing the data frame with the help of print function. In the next lines of code, what we are doing is we are simply adding new columns to the existing data frame or data set. First, we have created the column name upper, which will contain the names of the students in capital letters. How do we doing the conversion? Using the upper function. Similarly, next we have another column city title, which will contain the name of the cities in title letter. What does title do? Title converts the first small letter into a capital letter. Next we have another column name length. We are finding the length of the names using the function length. Next we have updated name column. What we are doing here is we are replacing the name with given name to the updated name. Next we have, then what we are doing in the last, we are just printing the entire updated data set. How does our output look like? Our output will look like this. First we have original data frame, next we have updated data frame. Let's see how we can execute this code using the Jupyter notebook. This is my Jupyter notebook. Using Jupyter we can execute this code. We have simply write the code in the Jupyter notebook cells where we can do the execution of the code. This is my entire code. I am simply executing it with the help of run command. It will take some time during execution. This is my output after execution. So this is very simply we have done this experiment.